Social Leader of the Year, an individual leading an NGO or a CSR team and should be above 30 years of age.
I think apart from their work, they have done something which is beyond their call of duty. And I think that was very interesting for me. And I was very surprised by the kind of millennial entries we got, the kind of mature entries we got. So there were both sets. And I think the judging procedure really saw the elements of what they had done. And I think that has really come out, and it is a very beautiful way that people have moved out of their regular role in their daily life and done something more, much beyond. So social responsibility seems to be in the DNA of a lot of people, and that's what is going to be awarded and celebrated.
CA Prabhash Jha. After a successful corporate career as a CFO, Prabhash set up Gyanoday to educate over 1,000 children every day through its 7 centers. It focuses on 3E: engaging, education, and elevating. Started in 2017 with 50 students, today the centers have over 90% attendance and over 60% girl students. From imparting doorstep education to using community centers, Prabhash has trained educated housewives to volunteer, reducing infrastructural costs and overheads. The parents of students too offer voluntary support in cleanliness, flood relief, and other need-based social initiatives, including now the fight against COVID-19.